All right, everybody. I was getting set up here. I'm gonna turn it on and start working on the wood. And when I went to raise the door, as you see, that's bent. So what I think I'm gonna do is run something, reinforce it from here to try to push that in and hold it. I do have to get it where it goes under here and hold it. But I know the door needs to be replaced, but what I plan on doing once we get it to where we want it and we make the next bigger step, these two doors are pretty new. I'd like to take these two doors and put them up there at the upper office and then do 3 new doors here. But that way they all match. But anyway, let's go along here so I can try to reinforce this up a little bit so it works. Be right back. That needs to be bent over. What I've got here, of course, with this door, the door was hanging in, no windows, none of that. When I came in, I could not see this trailer. It was so full of smoke in here. Mike, can you make that work? Board does give, but I'm not trying to, reinforce the building. I'm just trying to keep that from going back out. So let me rip this board down. I'll be right back. The building can be repaired, there's insurance on it. Nothing's here. Drill. See if we can find a nut and bolt to go in there.
And then she hit Mark's motorcycle, setting at the end of that railroad trail. Short road. Courts, whatever you want to call it, to let her out of jail with no insurance. Lord help me.
All right, I don't know. Don't know how that'll work there, but it does need to be pushed back. But I'm gonna try to see what it does when I shut it. I do have to go and waller this out here so that it'll lock. But let's see what it does. See if I can put y'all right here. Yep. Guess what? Well, it worked. I didn't cut enough off the board. It's hitting right down there.
There's no reason for her to be out of jail. She ought to sit there until restitution's made. He said,
I think it's gonna work. I just have to cut that a little bit on the bottom so that it'll clear. I thought I had enough, but I did not. I guess it's got a lot to do with the board straight and the thing's not. That's all right. I'll be right back. Yep. Still pushes it in a little bit where it's hitting here, but I don't know what it's catching there. I don't know, the door needs to be replaced. But that'll work. I can deal with it. Thank y'all.